Warnings of weather, mini ice age with negative 50 degrees Celsius temperatures in coldest areas. Cold snaps so severe they could threaten food shortages and plummeting temperatures are a real possibility over the next 30 years, an expert claims. With the sun entering a natural hibernation period, or solar minimum, in which it projects less heat on the Earth, there could be frostier weather and heavier snowstorms. Scientist Valentina Zarkova of Northumbria University said average temperatures could drop by 1 degree Celsius in 2020 and last up to a year, while resulting in wet and cold summers. And the minimum was the cause of Canada's recent negative 50 degrees Celsius, she claims. While normal solar minimums are a natural occurrence in the sun's life cycle every 11 years or so, next year's could be especially chilly as it marks the beginning of a much bigger drop in energy, reports the scientist. A grand solar minimum only comes around every 400 years, and Professor Zarkova warns icy spells and wetter summers could be a mainstay until 2053. She claims the dramatic cold snap in Canada, which saw temperatures plummet to negative 50 degrees Celsius, are thanks to the minimum. The sun is approaching a hibernation period, Professor Zarkova, who has published multiple scientific papers on solar minimums, said. Less sunspots will be formed on the solar surface, and thus less energy and radiation will be emitted towards the planets and the Earth. The reduction in temperature will result in cold weather on Earth, wet and cold summers, cold and wet winters. We will possibly get big frosts, as is happening now in Canada, where they see temperatures of negative 50 degrees Celsius. But this is only the start of GSM. There is more to come in the next 33 years. The Maunder minimum was the last GSM to hit Earth, lasting between 1645 and 1715, resulting in duller sunshine and a drop in temperatures across the world. The Thames and Amsterdam's canals, as well as other waterways, regularly froze over, and NASA readings suggest similar freezes could be striking by 2025. Professor Zarkova said, "We can only hope that the mini ice age will not be as severe as it was during the Maunder minimum. This would dramatically affect food harvests in middle latitudes because the vegetables and fruits will not have enough time for harvesting. So it could lead to a food deficit for people and animals, as we have seen in the past couple of years when the snow in Spain and Greece in April and May demolished their vegetable fields, and the UK had a deficit of broccoli and other fruits and veggies."